Last year I made a super cute embroidered beanie, and I have an order for 2 custom ones for this year. And I thought, wow, it should be super easy to make because I made them last year. Well, I was halfway right. This is what the preview of the beanies should look like. Spoiler alert, only one of them came out decent. The first one was awful, the second one was okay, so I ordered a new set and I'm just going to make them over again. Learn from my mistakes, and here's kind of how I did it. Alright, I have water-soluble fabric, I have tearaway stabilizer, I have my 4x4 hoops, red thread, pink thread, and 2 YP, or how we say it, Yongpong Classic beanies that I'm going to embroider today. Let's get started. I have officially finished this one. It looks awful because I forgot that my bobbin thread should be the same color as my fabric, and I realized that after I had started, and I was like, oh, I should stop it, but then I wasn't sure if it would really look that bad, and it's much harder to pull out embroidered machine thread than it is to just hope that it doesn't look good, hope that it looks good. I also did not place it in a very good spot. I guess when I rotated it or something, I forgot to move it back down. So I'm not sure that this is going to work in this position because I think it's too far away from the brim or the edge of the hat. So let's see. Okay, turn it inside out. And right side up. I mean, it would probably fit my head, but if it's for a guy, it's definitely not gonna work. It needs to be half an inch up. All right, such is life. Let's go ahead and make the other one. Hope I don't make the same mistake. Well, that's it, guys. I definitely like the pink hat better than the red hat. You can't see the bobbin thread nearly as badly, but I did snip a little bit of the letter because the thread got stuck and I was trying to save it. Anyways, I'm redoing both of them because I cannot give these to the customer. Just my type A personality, so I will be doing them over again. And I appreciate you watching, and I will see you tomorrow in the next Vlogmas 2023.